Well, this is not the end crochet, and I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time. Due to the injury to my back and my arm and hand and so forth, I've been away from crochet since the doctor gave me the okay. I think it was last month. I've been trying to get back into the swing of things. I've given away more yarn, and I still have more yarn to give away, so I guess that'll be destashing number 6. And I do have some whips that's just kind of sitting around collecting dust that I need to get back to in order to clear out some things, and so I can concentrate on my hats and my scarves and my purses. If you recognize this pattern, then you know this goes to the granny duster I did at the end of last year. It's like 80% complete. I got the lining pinned in and everything, and here's the snap, here's the button that's gonna go on it. I just haven't finished sewing it in. See? I think I was debating on whether I was going to redo the fringe. See how wavy it is? It's not like that on the coat, so I don't want it like that on the purse. So I need to do this over and take some of these shells out, I believe. I think that's what's throwing me off. But hopefully one day I'll get to it. It's a nice looking purse. Really snazzy. We'll see. Okay, if you follow me on the regular, you know that this is a blanket that I started back before my injury. And I've been trying to finish it. I even started back crocheting it. Wait a minute, let me find the hook. I had it sitting out. And using a Furls 8 on it, and every time I try to do some work on it, it hurts my arm. Last time I did 7 rows in one day, and my arm ached for 2 days, and I was steady popping pain pills, so I guess it's just too heavy for me. And I tried laying it in my lap and working on it, and that's when it hurt. So I'm going to try to lay it on this table that I always use over here and see if that helps. I hope so, because I want it finished. Now, technically, if I turned it this way, it'll be longer than it is wide. But I don't want to turn it that way. I want it to be the way I intended for it to be. This is the top. It's leading to this right here. And I got 2 more skeins to put into it. Probably just 1.5, just this one and that one maybe. And the other would be like a border. I don't know, but I do want to get it finished, and I hope I can. If not, I can't frog it and kick up the yarn. That would be a bear. Oh gosh, I can't even think of that. But I like to get it presentable enough so I can at least give it to somebody. We'll see what'll happen with this. Okay, you might recognize this. Back when I was doing the destashing, I had a bunch of them, and I managed to frog those and cake them up and gave them away. But these, I couldn't find any ends. So here they are. I have no idea what to do with them because it's an odd number. If it was an even number, I could probably figure something out. I don't have any yarn any of these colors, and I don't have any access to Dollar Tree yarn anymore, at least not around in these parts. So I'm gonna have to, because it's got Can't really tell it though, but maybe you can in the camera. But this has got like a little tinge of orange in it. And that's what's throwing me off. Because I have plenty of yellow, but nothing like that. It'll be obvious if I use something else. I think I might have to use just a color that's neither one of these. I'm thinking maybe green, blue, or even red. And I think I might can make a boho scarf with it. I saw Bonnie Barker. She made a boho scarf. Looked pretty simple, except that she used the arrow stitch. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to get out of this as quick as I can, as easy as I can. I'll figure something out. But that's what I want to do with that. They're too pretty to throw away. And I did away with the others. That made a really nice scarf. Okay, I know you've seen this little tam if you're following. And I know you saw where I did the video, Frog Better Fix It. I took the purse loose and this is what I come up with. Nice little flat purse. And I hadn't decided how big I want it, how deep I want it to go. Handling is good, as long as I can get my cell phone in it. Hold it there, sew it on the sides. And I don't know what I want to do about the handle. Oh, and I got some more, what's that stuff? Plastic canvas, so that'll stiffen it up. And here's the lining. I want a zipper in it. I was gonna like put a pocket in the middle of it and put a zipper across it. I couldn't find a zipper that came close to either of these colors. So, I don't know. But this is gonna go there. And I took that brooch I had on her off. I'm gonna put this there so it'll match. But I can see daylight with this, so that's not a really big push. And I think when it's done, it's gonna be tough. And I'm documenting everything so that I can make, cause I got like, cause this is like 2 skeins, and I got like 2 more sets, no, 3 more sets of colors in 2. So we'll see what happens with this. Okay, the past, what was it, last month? I think it was last month or month before last. We redid our living room, or at least we got rid of the old furniture that was in there. And before I destashed one of the boxes, I switched out because one was burgundy, one was gray. I switched out and got 2 grays. 2 couches, 1, 2, are exactly these colors. The issue is this skein, where is it at? It's 285 yards, just one of them. But these little things, I think they're like 185. It's not that much. And they're different. Sometimes you know you can find stuff, sometimes you can't. Ooh, it's worse than that. It's 125 yards. So if I'm going to do anything with that, I'm going to need at least another skein of this. And I can figure something out, but it just ain't hit me yet what I want to do, what stitch pattern I want to do. Don't know. But it's 2 couches. So I don't know if I'm going to do 1 big throw or 2 small throws. I'm thinking along the line of 2 small throws. So if that's the case, I'm going to need more yarn. Well, that's it for my update on my current and future whips. Once I make a little progress, I'll be back. Toodles.